sa Miss Sakura Universe. Let's sing with the choir for the Philippine National Anthem, same as the Philippines. Dog place. Yan ang buhay. Okay, please welcome Miss Sakura Universe. Organization is Good Sammy. Good morning everyone. It's okay that I am winning the Philippines. I choose Paraguay. What is your big Miss Sakura Universe held? Oh yes, that is Philippines. It's kind of the lighting ceremony. Be ready for your lighters, machetes, and the only pageant we have is this. The maximum is 13. If you hit maximum 13, then please stay tuned for your TikTok and YouTube for more updates coming for raid. And the Olympic starts like this one is the matches. First, the matches is the organization that like Olympics, right? Yes. Then I am a new world for upcoming Miss Sakura Universe. I'm new organization in the Miss Universe 2021. And also the Sonia of Taga Yuki and his friends are here. But anything so I win the Philippines when I was taking the final walk. I'm crying. So naman siya. Tama. Okay. Now we'll feature how to become a Miss Universe. Sakura Universe. First, the Sakura Universe to do is going to your all like Miss Universe Philippines to Miss Universe. That's right. Right po. Sige. That's all for have to say. If there are more questions, then let's go to lighting up. Also, we go to get some candles to blow in Okay. The Miss Universe organization and Paraguay will start a lighting ceremony. This year is in the charge of the Masters with the candles to the sorry that we happened to difficulties. Please stand by. Okay, now we'll start. Go, takbo. Go. Go. Yay! The lighting ceremony is ended. Now we'll still turn to our next spot. Thanks for coming and good night.